Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to get TikTok on your Mac and use it just like a real desktop app. No extra software needed. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can click the Safari icon in your dock, or press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to TikTok.com and wait for the page to fully load. Next, look at the top of your screen in the macOS menu bar. Click File, then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear. You can rename it to TikTok, or choose any name you like. When you're ready, click Add. Now, you'll see a TikTok icon appear in your dock. Click it, and TikTok will open in its own separate window, just like a native Mac app. You can even close Safari completely, and TikTok will continue running on its own. And that's it. You've successfully added TikTok to your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials.